Hey tubers, finally got around to tearing down this Tecumseh motor, and as I had hoped, I discovered why the exhaust valve was popping open during the compression stroke. On the camshaft, this is the intake lobe, this is the exhaust lobe. There is, let me see if I can get it where you can see it, a little pin that's on a centrifugal, spring-loaded centrifugal counterweight. So at speed, the pin drops below the surface of the cam. Zoom in a little bit, and we can get it from this side. See if this is fun trying to do this one-handed. Anyway, the pin drops down at speed. The pin drops down even with or below the surface of the camshaft, but you see it's standing proud a little bit there. That's so that when you're starting it, it has the compression relief. So that's pretty cool. Another neat little thing I found was this oil pump. Now, there we go, turn the camshaft back around. It rides on this little eccentric on the bottom of the cam, and this is a piston, but the pump moves, not the piston. Piston just sort of rides in this little channel there. As the crankshaft spins, it sucks oil in through these galleys, in through, and where to go. Oh, there we go. There's another galley, and it's drilled down to the center. Even if I could get the light just right, you might be able to see into there. Oh gosh, you don't want to. Okay, I guess I'm too close. Anywho, the oil comes in. I guess it goes down to the bottom, and these galleys I'm guessing one is like the intake side and the other is the pumping side. So I'm guessing it sucks oil in through the bottom and into there, and then as it spins around, the oil fills the tube, and then it pumps into the center of the crankshaft and runs out the top, and then there's the top cup for the crankshaft or camshaft, and then it just sort of drips down on the lobes, so that lubricates the lobes of the cam. And you see that little sort of channel there. On the outside is the port where the oil goes up to the crankshaft. I have not pulled that screw out, and I may not. Well, I probably will after I pull everything out, just so I can run a swab through there, make sure that the oil galley is clear. And then I'm guessing there's another port in the crankshaft that'll run down to the journal here for the connecting rod. So this thing's pretty well thought out. Little governor here works freely, and there's the lever for the governor. You can't see it. There we go. There's the lever that rides on the governor. So haven't figured out how this comes apart or how to take it apart. It looks like the entire assembly may be pressed in. There's a little pocket there in line with that shaft, but I don't think I'm going to try and press that out, so I'll just be careful about cleaning up the gasket for the oil pan. But anyway, I was glad to see that there was an eccentric or counterweighted compression relief for the exhaust. So I'm happier now. Puzzle solved.